Los Angeles. Emirates welcomes you to Dodger Stadium. This stadium has 10 gates, 21 terraced entrances, and can hold over 56,000 fans. Today's game between the Cincinnati Reds and the Los Angeles Dodgers will consist of 9 innings. And like our non-stop flight from Los Angeles to Dubai,